Welcome to Digisoft Services.
In this video, you will understand how to use the online upload-download tracker in TallyPrime. With the connected GST experience, you have the facility to upload and download GST returns right from TallyPrime. Online upload-download tracker provides information on all the online activities performed using the connected GST services. This helps you identify the failure or error earlier. Therefore, you can take the necessary actions to progress on the upload or download activities. You can check the tracker at any point in time. Press F1. Go to Troubleshooting and open Online Upload-Download Tracker. You can see the date and time, the nature of activity, GST return type, and the return period for which the activity was performed. Most importantly, you get to know the status of the activity. For instance, if the returns are uploaded with errors, then you can open the relevant report and resolve the error. Press F12 and configure the report further. Let's display the username. Press Ctrl A to save the configurations. You get to know the users who performed the corresponding activities. Online Upload-Download Tracker keeps the information about the online activities relevant to GST at your fingertips, and it is always ready for a quick reference.
For more information, please call us at 995-300-3900. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also visit our website at www.digisoft.com.